Okay, so we're looking at a row of, well, several rows of vegetables at the UVM horticulture farm and the Catamount farm. And what you're seeing here is two rows of broccoli. The one on the right, the darker green, um, was the row that was treated. The treatment there was with wool pellets. And a row, the lighter green, smaller row on the left was without. And this was a trial that we did to investigate the use of wool pellets, raw wool that's been compressed into a small pellet and incorporated into the soil to see how it would serve as a fertilizer. And as you can see, we had some pretty dramatic results here. What's interesting to note is that the research farm, the soil here is of a very sandy type. So that said something to us that knowing that those types of soils, nutrients can leach out fairly quickly. So by using these wool pellets, the question comes up, is that helping with retention of moisture, number one, and nutrients, number two? So these are some of the questions we still want to investigate. The other key critical piece of information we are looking for, and that will be with further trials this next summer, is taking a look at what happens with the chemical composition of the soil. Currently, the research farm is constrained by what fertilizers they can use because they are at their maximum or near maximum load of phosphorus content. And they have to be very careful that when they use any fertilizer that they use has no phosphorus. So this is what we've learned from the wool pellets is they have a 9 to 13% nitrogen content and virtually no phosphorus. So if that were to be the case, and we use these wool pellets as a fertilizer, will that help draw down the current phosphorus levels in the soil and still provide the nitrogen that the plant needs? Obviously, from this photograph, we can see that it's serving the plant some purpose because those plants look very happy, the ones where we use the pellets, compared to the ones where we did not. So something's going on that's great and wonderful. And we still have a lot more to learn about it. So we will be continuing trials in 2021 and on the soil and see what we can find out what's really happening below the ground.